In February of this year, we got our ISO 9001 certification. And the ISO 9001 certification really puts controls in our process and focuses us on continuously improving, from getting clients' requests in and managing that process, metrics for that process, through engineering and into manufacturing all the way through delivery. And it's something that we've worked really hard for in the past couple of years, and we're really excited about it.
ISO is it's a quality standard, so it's essentially a set of minimum requirements to ensure quality. It's about formalizing ways to define the product or the output that you're looking for, and then putting some processes in place to keep data clean and secure, and then verifying at the end that you've actually met what you set out to do in the first place. Because we do a really wide variety of work, and we're always moving very fast, that's kind of our goal, is to get things in and get them out. I think it was really helpful for Sigma to be able to make this framework of basic quality requirements that we can apply to every job that we do. The way that we implemented ISO is really scalable, so when those small jobs come in, we can still meet those basic requirements, and it's a reminder to everybody on the project, what your goal is and what we're trying to do. And then on the bigger projects, it gives us a framework in which to keep track of those hundreds of details. Even for customers who don't know about it or care about it, they're still getting that quality. The biggest challenge for us was, again, that need for flexibility. A normal manufacturing company very intentionally standardizes their product development or production methods to begin with, right? Their goal is to do everything almost the same every time, whereas we're all over the map. So whatever our procedures and our policies were, we needed them to be flexible. What we do is we very consciously discuss all of the potential quality requirements for a project. When projects come in, you can kind of tailor the ISO requirements to it. And we've sort of taken that to another step, to breaking jobs that come into Sigma down into kind of different types, right? We can be part of any part of the development process, and sometimes that means a limited part. We're just making parts for somebody, or we're just assembling something they've already designed. But we have that ability to, at that point, determine whether on this specific project we need to do X, Y, or Z. The goal being to get all of the benefit from being ISO, but to not carry a bunch of extra overhead along. The goal of ISO is consistent quality, and obviously we share that goal, so we can customize essentially the quality system to every project that we're doing. But by making sure that we have that as a conscious step at the beginning, we're not just skipping things because a project is small. We are determining whether those things are necessary or if we can find another way to accomplish those parts of the requirements.